Welcome to the Claude 3.5 Power Play. Today, I will show you how to build and sell Shopify tools without coding and turn AI into your business advantage. In the USA, start with Claude 3.5. Use prompts like create a Shopify tool that automates discount codes for repeat customers. Claude instantly generates workflows, logic, and integration ideas, acting like your personal developer. Refine your tool by asking Claude to add features such as inventory alerts, upsell pop-ups, or automated email triggers. Then connect these outputs to Shopify using no-code platforms like Zapier or Shopify Flow. Package your tool as a Shopify app or plugin. Claude can even generate your product description, marketing copy, and pricing strategy. Upload it to the Shopify App Store or market it directly to USA store owners, turning your AI idea into a profitable business. Smash that like button, subscribe for more AI business hacks, and start building your Shopify empire today with Claude 3.5 Power Play.